Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and I am here with these really super cute solar lights. These are from Tunpug, and these lights are tiny little bulbs that will really reflect firefly lighting in the beautiful warm weather. These come carefully packaged in a box, and they're actually in two separate pieces. One is the top, which has that solar panel, and the other has a pole that you can easily place into the ground. Once you put them together, they are about 11 inches high, and depending on your soil, you can put them all the way to the base of the solar panel, or you can place them just at any height that you want. Once you have them installed, they glow immediately that evening, and you can see there's two options. One is for the blinking, like you see there on the right, and the other is just a pretty glow that glows continuously. So if you're looking for a great option that's something different for your solar lighting that will add little twinkles of light in your yard, check these out. They are really sturdy. I really love the beautiful glow that comes from them, and they're just absolutely super cute to look at. But that's just my point of view.